This podcast, a simple summary of a scientific peer-reviewed paper, is made with the help of AI Big Head Pain, Dr. Faridun Hagdoost. In this episode, we explore a major feature article from Nature titled Are Groundbreaking Science Discoveries Becoming Harder to Find? By David Matthews, published in May 2025. The central question is one that's troubling policymakers and researchers alike. Is science losing its ability to disrupt, to produce big, game-changing discoveries? The article follows up on a now famous paper by Russell Funk and colleagues, which found that both scientific papers and patents have become less disruptive over time. That is, new work is less likely to make older ideas obsolete. Their findings sparked widespread media attention and a flurry of controversy. The paper used citation patterns to quantify disruption. If a new paper is cited by many others without those citing the older references, it scores as more disruptive. And what Funk and his team found was that average disruptiveness has been falling for decades, even as research output has exploded. Critics pushed back, questioning whether citation patterns really capture disruptive thinking. Others pointed out that changes in academic culture, like more referencing and more structured papers, might explain the decline. But even with those factors adjusted for, the trend persists. So what might be causing this innovation slowdown? The article explores several explanations. Administrative burden. Scientists spend less time doing research, more time applying for grants, and handling admin. Risk aversion. Careers now depend on regular publishing and short-term outputs, leaving little space for risky, radical ideas. Excessive metrics. When science chases citations and journal prestige, originality may suffer. Complexity. It now takes longer to learn enough to contribute meaningfully in many fields. Low-hanging fruit. Some argue that the easy discoveries are already made. What's left takes far more effort and money. There's also the question of whether current systems recognize disruption. For example, AlphaFold, a major breakthrough in protein prediction, doesn't score highly on the citation-based disruption index. Is that a flaw in the metric, or a reminder that impact isn't always immediate? Despite uncertainty, many agree, it feels harder to do revolutionary science today. And that's why some governments and funders are now experimenting with bold reforms, such as giving out random grants to avoid bias, rewarding teams for novelty, or setting up challenge-based prizes. The danger? If innovation slows and the public doesn't see transformative results, political support for science may wane. But confronting the issue head-on, as Funk puts it, might be the best chance we have to fix it.